Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my another video. Today we are learning how to download and install uTorrent on your PC. So let's get started. Link in the description. Just click on it and you will see this website. When you come here, just click on this green button, download latest version. Click on it, wait for a few seconds and this will pop up in front of you. Then click on start download. And after that, when it's finished, just click on open, click yes, and wait for a few seconds and this will come in front of you. So after this, click on next, next again, agree, and this is saying install Avast free antivirus. So do not accept, just click on decline and uncheck this install McAfee web advisor. Uncheck this and click on next. If you want to create desktop icon, start menu entry, create quick launch icon. So if you want all of them, then just click on it and click next. No problem with it, just click on next. It is installed. The launch uTorrent, yes, click on finish. So this is uTorrent on your PC. You can easily download movies, music, files, software, games, whatever you want. Just download the torrent file and open it in here and you are done. Welcome to my video. If this video is helpful, leave a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.